There you go. A Viking cruise in Windsor, Detroit River. Ariane, let me show you to my wife. Ariane, hey, hello.
Sit.
Take a look.
Sit.
There, good girl. Wow.
You got a GoPro?
Yeah,
Which one?
it is.
Which one is it?
Oh, I don't know, it's a 9. That's an old one.
Yeah.
It's a 9.
Yeah.
It's been a while, for quite a while. It's my wife loves it.
Oh, GoPros are awesome.
Yeah.
I have a harness for it, and I have a GoPro on top of the harness.
Oh yeah. You always got the head harness, the chest, and everything. Yeah, it's worth your time because we go on a cruise. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. But that one is tough. Jeez. A spoiled girl. And this is Rolly. Guys from Toronto. They're all here fishing. And where's Esmer? Esmer is on the other side, way the other side. This is the Ambassador Bridge that's connecting to the US from Windsor to Michigan, Detroit. There you go. Man, and he's already got fish. So this is Esmer, and he's with Dorley. They're from Toronto, enjoying fishing here in Windsor. I call this fishers suckers. And the fishes are just looking at them. No, I ain't biting. Nice. Para pa lang. Oh, ayan si Rolly, oh, nakahuli, oh. Kita mo? Pangilan na yan, pangilan? Pang-anim. Oh, yan, oh. Oh. Yan. Oh, yan ang fishing ngayon. Oh, ano yan? Maliit na yan, maliit na Godzilla. Oh, that's good. Sige. Good job. Another one by Rolly. Another fish caught. Cool. Doon nakatupad, may papay, oh. It's got feet. It's got 4 feet. Oh shit, what is this? What are ya? May gloves ka ba? Parang matatanggal yan. Parang matatanggal yan. I got it. Ooh, okay, throw it back. So we don't want you. We don't want you. Are you a fish or what? Sige.
Nahuli ko kanina, lagpas niya.
Rolly. Meron na naman si Rolly. Nakahuli na naman. Oh. Ah. Buhay na buhay ba? Oh, matakaw kasi. Yan ang makukuha mo pag matakaw kayo. Huli ulit. Meron na naman. Marami na huli si Rolly ah. Ito si Esmer naghahanap ng gimmick. Ganito pala sila, ang daming gimmick. Yeah. Okay, so we are now in Amherstburg. Eto, these are Filipino guys. Ano pangalan mo?
Roy.
Roy, Chris,
Darwin.
you know Esmer, you know Raleigh. So we are now at Amherstburg Navy
King Navy Park.
King Navy Park. Okay. At ito yung mga addict sa fishing yan. Oh. Tandaan nyo ang mukha niya mga yan. Addict sa fish yung mga yan. O yun, oh. Kita mo na ang huli nila. Oh. Ayan ang kanilang huli. Oh. Walang hilig to mga ito eh. Sinumpana ng mga asawa nila yan. Kaya ganyan.
Pag kami pag walang huli. Walang mamaya.
Ito yung grupo ng mga diborsyado dahil sa fish.
Hello, good morning.
Pakiangat daw ulit.
Ha?
Darwin, parangat daw.
Hindi na, sigit lang. Huli mo na ako ng 5 ha.
Dati Nora, asawa ni Kulisan.
Hello.
Kaya dito.
Not. So you've seen, well, no, you haven't seen this.
Ako nun eh.
No. This guys, they caught a big fish. It's right here. This guys, they caught a big one. Pakitanggal mo nga yung sa ibabaw and then open it up.
Kasamahan din nila.
That right there.
Wow!
Ay, ang laki.
Ano pangalan?
I don't know. Who caught that big fish? There you go. See, that's a guy. This big guy. He is the one. He's the culprit. That was a good one. Yan ang gawa nila dito. Oh. Yan ang itsura ng mga addict sa fish. Oh, ayan, kita nyo? Yan. Nananahimik na kami dun sa Windsor. Pinapunta pa kami ng Amherstburg. That was 30 minutes away. Ganon sila ka-addict. Okay. Later, guys. That's a good one, Aaron.
For the first time. Wow!
Good catch. There you go. Dalayan nyo, huli pa kayo.
Ate, Marian.
That's what a sheephead is there.
Ah. Here, let me see. Whoa. There you go.
It's a baby.
Good job.
Sabi niya, wala din. Chris po.
Chris. Oh, Chris, pakita. Nakakahuli lang ni Chris yan. Oh, yun. Okay, thank you. He's got another fish. Ah, may huli siya, oh. Oh, may huli siya.
Sheephead. Oh.
Pero yata ang lucky charm natin eh.
Yan,
Yun.
great yan talaga sa Pinas.
Oh, yan.
Pangalawa ko wala ito pransyar na huli.
Pain nila, oh.
Yeah.
Yan ang mga pain nila, oh. Ito yung mga pain. Yan ang pain nila doon sa kanilang, oh, ayun, isa pa yun, oh. Diba, tamo? Cruelty to animals. Ayan,
Mas okay ba yung isda or
tutusukin nila.
bulate?
Ito po, mas okay. Pero pag wala pong mabibilan nito, wala kang choice, bulati. Kasi bulati is everywhere.
She wanted to try fishing. You guys know it's a fake one, right?
No, it's not.
That's a fake one. Doesn't have shit on it.
Chip ito. Nakahuli niya. Hindi na nag-reflect. Galing yata yun.
Thank you. Yes, hit yan.
Petong! Nagkasabitan?
You have the same fish. Pa. Oh,
Sheephead ulit.
Ano, sumabit sa'yo? Ano, you still got one, right?
that's a big one.
Very good.
Sheephead.
Wow, sheephead.
Lagi sheephead tayo.
Ang sa'yo? Naputol?
Naputol niya sa'yo? Naputol.
Naputol.
Nakuha rin niya rin isa eh. Dalawa, mabigat eh. Naputol isa ba?
Lapit. Sasama natin sa clip to. Pati itong huli nyo lahat. Lalagay sa YouTube to, ha? Meron. Norson TV. Okay, good. Thank you. Wait here. Erwin, come. There you go. Nice. Good job. Ay, dalawa. Hey, dito. Yay! Nice. Good job, boys. Good job. Galing. Very good. It is cool. Yeah. Good job. Tas mo. Yay. Okay. Good.
Ito, ganito. Iris, oh. Kung tama lang ang laki. Sakto-sakto.
Mahal sa bitras yan. Sige, tumayo siya.
Okay. Angat na. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Nice job.